Hello guys, I hope you are doing very well. So today I am going to show you the DnB Data Scraper version 2.0. I have released this DnB Data Scraper back in 2023 and now this is the second version and today it's 23 January 2026, and in this video I am going to show you how you can run this bot on your PC. So when you get this zip file from me, you have to extract it in a simple folder like this one. Then you have to run this exe file and then you will see this bot here. So it's quite simple user interface where you just need to input your DnB email and password and then press the start button. And if you want to extract emails, then check this, otherwise keep it off and start. Logs into the DnB. Everything is automated and this is the undetectable DnB Data Scraper. There are no chances for bans or detection. So don't be worried about your DnB account. And when you see this message, apply your custom filters to start the DnB scraping process. So either you can select the list or apply your custom filters like this. This is just for demo, and you can apply whatever filters you want, as many as you want. So I think it's enough. So when you see this list, just hit this message OK, and bot will start the scraping process. Okay, so now let me show you what data columns we are getting from here. So it's full name, first name, last name, job title, and the address, company name, the industry, the website of the company, the phone, and if we check the emails, then we will be getting the emails as well, as we can see right here. And this is the LinkedIn link, Twitter, Facebook link, this is the DnB profile link, and this is the source URL of the profile. And here we can see the page is being scraping right now. There's an auto cooldown process system in this bot, which I cannot explain it here, but this is the part of the process, so you don't need to get worried about it. So right now it's on cooldown process. It will resume automatically. In the meantime, let me show you the other features. When we turn it off, it will start pushing data to the local database, which is SQLite in this app. And this is for Airtable. If you need it, I would need to integrate it for you with your account. And here the pause and resume button, we can pause and resume the scraping process from here. And this is the export button. When we press it, we can select the target file that we need. Then if we simply press this export, and we can see the clean data here in CSV. Okay, so the process has been resumed. You can check out the speed. Most of you guys asked me about the speed, so this is the real-time speed. You can make your calculations from here. And as I mentioned before, we can pause the scraping process from here. It's paused now, and we can resume it. And while the bot is running, we can do whatever we want on our system. So that's all for the DnB Data Scraper. If you have any questions, you can ask me. Take care, please. Have a good day. Bye.